In today's video, I'm about to show you how to create stunning videos in minutes with Hailuo AI. So this is going to be a complete prompt guide. So the very first thing that I suggest is instead of using directly your prompt box here, you can switch to your image section from the left side of your screen, and then you can provide in here a reference image. Like for example, as you can see, I did for this. I can recreate this as well. So first thing is providing a reference image from your local storage. You can download it as well, and then below is going to be your prompt. So you can see your prompt should be about 4 to 5 lines long, detailing everything that is in your mind or you want to simply do. So you can also use this different effects option to simply enhance your prompt. You can see you have all of these preset libraries going on that you can try for fun, but if you want something specific, you got to be writing it in detail here. You can use other prompt enhancers all as well, you can see, and this is going to be refining your prompt, so we can make sure to turn this on and it's going to be refined. So that's how we can use and create this image into this stunning video. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.